Find the number of shots in a square pile having 15 shot in each side of the base, a triangular pile having 18 shot in each side of the base, a rectangular pile, the length and breadth of base containing 50 and 28 shot respectively. Okay, wherever you see the word shot, you simply replace it with the word balls. Okay, so as we have already seen in the previous video, we know the number of balls in the square pile is going to be sigma n square. So we know that there are 15 shots in each side of the base. So for problem number 1, all we have to do is calculate sigma n square 1 to 15, which is actually n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 by 6. Simply put the value of n as 15. You get 15 times 16 times 2 times 15 is 30 times 31 divided by 6, right? N times 15 times 16 times 31 divided by 6. So this is actually equal to 3 and 8, and this is 5. So 5 times 8 is 40, and 40 times 31 is 1240 balls. Okay, now let us look at the second problem. A triangular pile having 18 shots in each side of the base. So we already know how to find for the case of triangle. It is simply n times n plus 1 times n plus 2 by 6. I recommend that you watch that complete video if you are not yet convinced of the formula, and if you are watching this video directly and without watching the first one. So we know that the number of balls in the case of triangle will be n times n plus 1 times n plus 2 divided by 6, and we have 18 shots, so just put n is equal to 18. So this will be 18 times 19 times 20 divided by 6, and this is 6 times 3, so this is 60. 19 times 6 is 114, 1140 balls. A rectangular pile, the length and breadth of the base is 50 shots and 28 shots. We have already seen the case of rectangle also. This will be n times n plus 1, 3m minus n plus 1. Okay, where m is the number of balls in a row and n is the number of balls in a column. So n times n plus 1 times 3m minus n plus 1. N times n plus 1, 3m minus n plus 1, all of this divided by 6. So we have 50 and 28. So n is actually equal to 28. So 28 times 29 times 3m minus n. So it is 3 times 50, which is 150, minus 28 plus 1 divided by 6. And if you calculate this, is equal to 16646 balls. Okay, let us look at next two questions. An incomplete triangular pile, a side of the base having 25 short and a side of the top of 14 short. So what they are saying is, now we are not looking at the complete triangular pyramid, but we are looking at the incomplete triangular pyramid. The bottommost layer has 25 shots and the topmost layer has 14 shots on each side. Okay, we are assuming that this is a equilateral triangle. Now this is again a easy problem to solve, because what we can see is, suppose we have a complete pyramid of 25 shots. Now from that top shot, if we take out a complete pyramid of 13 sides each, then we will be left with the incomplete triangular pile with bottom as 25 and top as 14. So what I am saying is, suppose we have the bottommost layer as, I am only drawing the front view, we have 25 shots, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. I think it is better to just show it to you as an example. Suppose if this question had just 8 pyramids at the bottom, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right, and this was all the way up to top. Okay, now suppose if we consider this pyramid, this is an incomplete pyramid, but if we were to complete, we would have a complete pyramid of 5 at the bottom and all the way up to the top. So similar is the case here. We have 25 shots in the bottom and 14 at the top. So if we want to complete the pyramid, we simply have to consider 13 pyramids at the bottom all the way up to the top. So how many balls will be there in the complete pyramid of 25 shots? Okay, so how many balls in complete pyramid of 25 shots? This will have, we already know the formula, it is n times n plus 1 times n plus 2 divided by 6. So in case of 25 balls, it will be 25 times 26 times 27 divided by 6, right, and this will come out to 25 times 26 times 27 divided by 6 is equal to 2925. So this will be 2925 balls. This is if the pyramid were complete. Now how many balls will be there in pyramid of 13 balls? This will be 13 times 14 times 15 divided by 6, and this will be equal to 13 times 14 times 15 divided by 6 is equal to 455 balls. So how many balls will be in this incomplete pyramid? So number of balls in incomplete pyramids is equal to 2925 minus 455, and this will come as 5 minus 5 is 0, 12 minus 5 is 7, so 8 minus 4 is 4, and 2. So this will be 2470 balls. Okay, 2470 balls. 2470 balls. Question number 5 is similar. We have an incomplete square pile of 27 courses having 40 shots in each side of the base. Okay, so we have 40 shots in the base. So if the pyramid were complete, that will be simply n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 divided by 6. If the pyramid were complete, you will have 40 times 41 times 2 times 40 plus 1 is 81 divided by 6, and this will be equal to 40 times 41 times 81 divided by 6 is equal to 22140 balls, right? But this is an incomplete pyramid with top layer of having 27 courses. So how many balls? No, 27 course means if 40th is the first course, so 40. Now because it is saying 27 courses, it means that there are the number of balls, the number of balls on each side of the square on the top layer is 40 minus 27 plus 1, which is actually equal to 41 minus 27. 41 minus 27 is equal to 14. So number of balls in a pyramid of 14 balls will be, number of balls in a pyramid of 14 balls will be 14 times 15 times 29 divided by 6, and this is equal to is equal to 1015 balls. So the total number of balls in the incomplete pyramid is total number of balls in incomplete pyramid is simply 22140 minus 1015 is equal to 21125 balls, and we are done.